Creative time with your child starts now. Let's draw this cat and explore some fun art techniques together. Hi, I'm Mommy, and welcome to my channel where we turn simple supplies into magical artwork. Let's get started. First, take a piece of scrap paper, fold it in half, and draw one side of a cat's face. Then cut along the line to create a symmetrical cat shape. Now we've got our cat mask. Next, fix the mask securely on your drawing paper. Prepare some vibrant colored pencil powder using a tea strainer. Use a folded tissue as your brush and apply the colors one by one around the mask. Gently blow away the extra powder. Don't touch it with your fingers. This is called negative drawing. We create a white subject by coloring the background instead. here's a fun trick. Use an eraser to create shapes around the cat by dabbing soft circles. It's a playful way to teach your kids to see art in everyday tools. And that's it. Our creative project is done, and we've learned some great new techniques. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please give this video a like and share it with a friend. It really helps more people find us. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, colorful, and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.